Good day, everyone. In the dynamic landscape of modern education, the classroom whiteboard remains an indispensable tool for educators worldwide. Its adaptability, visibility, and interactivity make it an essential platform for conveying knowledge, fostering engagement, and facilitating learning. However, the effective utilization of these educational assets hinge critically on its erasability. The ability to cleanly remove previous markings without leaving residual imprints, which can cause confusion and can impede the learning process.
Good day, I am Juliana Joy Sili Singh.
I am Patricia Mirador.
I'm Kimberly Clarice A. Ocate.
And I am JPS Reyes, and this study entitled Formulation of
Formulation of
Whiteboard
whiteboard
Marker
marker
Imprints
imprints
Remover
remover,
Basis for
enhanced
Enhanced
erasability
Erasability for
for
Classroom
classroom whiteboard.
Whiteboard.
The following are the overview of the study. First,
SU 2014. SU research highlight the significant impact of stain from pens on whiteboard on the educational community, including teachers, students, and parents. For teachers, they struggle to communicate effectively due to the unclear surface of a whiteboard. For students, they struggle to understand and remember information due to the unclear surface of a whiteboard. And additionally, stain can cause students with difficulty in copying notes, make an incorrect equation, formulas, or code due to the unclear surface of the whiteboard. Stain can lead, the stain can reduce learning outcome that the student receiving. And for parents, they may have a negative perception of a teacher professionalism affecting their confidence in their child receiving. To summarize, Sue stated the stain or smudges on whiteboard can really affect the learning of the student.
According to New York Blackboard, the initiative acknowledges the importance of whiteboards as instructional tools and aims to address the persistent issue of erasability by introducing a specialized solution called the Whiteboard Microimprint Remover. This solution aims to enhance the user's experience by fully erasing marks made by the whiteboard markers, contributing to a more seamless and productive learning environment in classrooms. The study aims to provide educators and students with a tool to improve instructional materials on whiteboards.
the last overview of the study. The researchers aim to create an eco-friendly whiteboard marker imprints remover. The primary objective of this study is to formulate an environmentally whiteboard marker imprints remover. The researchers believe that this study will play a pivotal role in education settings and in the health of both teachers and students.
To guide our study, as we dive into the dynamics of whiteboard marker imprints remover and their function in learning environments, a list of important research questions have been developed. This inquiry aims to explain all aspects related to the creation and application of whiteboard marker imprints removers, and also shed light on how they affect educational opportunities. Our first question centers on the composition of whiteboard marker imprints removers, which leads to an exploration of how particular components and mixes affect this remover's capacity to erase marks from whiteboard surfaces. Our second question explores the wider effects, considering how an effective remover might transform teaching strategies and learning objectives for teachers and students alike. The third and final question focuses on the practical aspects of the classroom by investigating the variables that influence how frequently educators and learners use these specially designed removers.
In the review of related literature and studies, we started gathering information with the subtopic of using whiteboard in educational setting. Inouye et al. 2017 highlighted that one of the key benefits of using whiteboard is the fact that it makes classroom more engaging and dynamic, and encourages revitalization of both teaching and learning. That is how important whiteboard marker is. On the other hand, NARA in 2022 stated the negative impact of whiteboard marker imprints not only in educational setting but also in the health of both teacher and student. And lastly, the study conducted by Munawar and Juan Omer 2019, as well as the study of Shafeti 2021, serves the foundation of this study. The primary objective of this study is to develop an environmentally friendly whiteboard marker imprints remover.
In our study, it consists of 3 phases. The input, process, output. For the input, formulated whiteboard marker imprints remover using agave calamansi, and caramay or Pilanthus acidus. For the process, formulation. Next, utilize the formulated marker imprints remover on different surfaces with marker imprints. Assess the effectiveness of the formulated remover in erasing the imprints on the whiteboard. The process show how researchers assess the effectiveness of the formulated remover in erasing the imprints on the whiteboard. For the output, whiteboard marker imprints remover and traceless eraser. The output shows the outcomes produced by the process.
Research methodology. This chapter presents the research design used in the study, the focus of the study, research instrument, and validation, data gathering procedure, procedure of the study, and research ethics. Research design. This study will use a quantitative experimental design. Data are collected through experiment with the collected data being statistical. Creswell J. W. 2003, he explained that the general purpose of quantitative research is to explain, predict, or investigate relationship, describe current condition, or examine possible outcome. As the study aims to formulate an effective whiteboard marker imprints remover. An experimental design was used as the study goal is to formulate an effective whiteboard marker imprints remover that can remove the stain and smudges that the whiteboard marker left on the whiteboard surface. Focus of the study. The research will be focused on the various colleges, namely College of Engineering, College of Architecture, College of Information and Communication Technology, College of Management and Business Technology, and College of Education at Nueva Ecija University of Science and Technology, Sumakab Campus, using a quantitative data collection tool to develop a whiteboard marker imprints remover using an eco-friendly ingredients. Research instrument. The researcher will use 2 instruments, namely the rubrics and Likert scale. A rubric is an approach to evaluate the effectiveness of whiteboard cleansing composition in stain removal. The rubric will categorize the surface performance using a scoring system. Categorized like full stain removal, partial stain removal, no stain removal might be on the rubric with scores ranging from 1 to 5. For the participant, they will also be asked to rate the efficacy of the whiteboard marker remover. Formulation using a Likert scale. The scale will be categorized as strongly disagree, disagree, neutral, agree, or strongly agree, with open-ended question to allow the respondent to provide additional feedback, comments, or recommendation to the formulated whiteboard marker imprints remover. Data analysis plan. 1. We will investigate and identify which factor of combined formulated eco-friendly whiteboard marker imprints remover produce the best performance in terms of erasability and leaving no trace left on the whiteboard surface. Number 2. Mean and weighted mean will be used to describe the effect of the formulated whiteboard marker imprints remover on erasability, effectiveness, and overall performance.
Third, the use of mean and weighted mean can help determine the average perception of erasability, effectiveness, and overall performance of a whiteboard marker imprints remover among teachers and students. Fourth, we will conduct a comprehensive evaluation to identify its strength, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats of the formulated whiteboard marker imprints remover.
The expected outcomes. Formulating an environmentally friendly whiteboard marker imprints remover is anticipated to yield a sustainable solution for erasing markings, reducing reliance on harmful chemicals. The outcomes include an environmentally or eco-friendly product that aligns with both ecological and safety standards, fostering a more environmentally conscious approach to whiteboard maintenance.
I am Juliana Joy Sili Singh.
I am Patricia Mirador.
I'm Kimberly Clarice A. Ocate.
And I am JPS Reyes.